Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to set the device orientation. That is, in this video I'm going to set this app orientation to portrait and avoid this landscape rotation on rotating the device. Let us start doing this. In the main.dart, in void main, we are going to initialize widgets flutter binding. Widgets flutter binding acts as a glue which binds the framework to the Flutter engine. Okay, widgets flutter binding dot ensure initialized. Now we are going to set the device orientation. So system chrome dot set preferred orientations. Here we are going to set it as portrait, so device orientation dot portrait up. Okay, I'm hot reloading the app. Now if I rotate the phone, it doesn't change. That is, the orientation doesn't change. On adding this system chrome.set preferred orientations, this automatically imports the Flutter services.dart. Okay, now let us even remove this taskbar. Same system chrome dot set enabled system UI mode. Okay, here system UI mode dot immersive. If I hot reload the app, yes, the taskbar gets removed. If I give dot immersive sticky, okay, yeah, it removes the taskbar. Even if we have a bottom bar, that is the in Android phone, most of the Android phones we have 3 icons at the bottom. It even removes the bottom bar and the taskbar. And that's all for this video. Let us see again in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.